Baking Technician for Class 9. Unit 1, Overview of the Bakery Sector. Session 10, Milk, Dry Fruits, Essence and other bakery flavor enhancers. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9. Unit 1, Overview of the Bakery Sector. In the previous video, you have learned about the sweetening agent used in the bakery. In this video, you will learn about milk, dry fruits, essence and other bakery flavors enhancers. Student, milk and milk products are used in bakery for various functions like softening the texture of the cookies and biscuits, moistening the bread and adding flavor and nutritive value to the product. Students, milk is classified into different categories based on their fat percentage. Full fat or full cream milk, which contains about 3.5% of fat, skimmed milk, which contains about 0.1% of fat, condensed milk, which contains about 8% of fat and 44% of sugar in it, and milk powder, which does not contain any fat in it. Eggs. Students, eggs are another important material used by the baker. Both egg white and egg yolk are of great importance. Egg white works as a leavening agent and makes cakes and pudding lighter and fluffier. During baking, it solidifies to lock in the air. On the other hand, egg yolks emulsify well, providing richness and moisture to the baked goods. An average egg weighs around 50 to 55 grams. Eggs can be stored in the refrigerator for a week or two. Students, if you want to check the freshness of an egg at your home, put the egg in a utensil full of water. The stale egg will float, whereas the fresh one will sink to the bottom of the utensil. Cocoa powder. This is used for chocolate baked products. It is produced from the beans of the cocoa tree. It is used in various baked goods, icing, fudges and sauces preparation. Chocolate. This is perhaps one of the most tempting products in a bakery. It is a mixture of cocoa powder, cocoa butter and sugar. Dark, bittersweet or semi-sweet milk and white chocolates are the most common chocolates in the commercial baking. Salt. Salt plays a key role in the formation and stabilization of the gluten structures in bread making. It controls the speed of the fermentation in yeast aerated goods. It also helps in retaining moisture and thus gives a superior texture. Salt in a small quantity is also known to enhance flavors during baking. Dried fruit and nuts. Dried fruits and nuts are of great importance in cakes, pastries and puddings in terms of adding aesthetic as well as nutritive value and specific flavors. Raisins, currants, prunes, coconut are a few examples of dried fruit used in various bakery preparations. The most commonly used nuts are almonds, cashew nuts, walnuts, pistachios and peanuts. Candied fruits. They are used in cakes and cookies to enhance the impact of taste when used in an appropriate proportion in the product. Examples include orange peel, lemon peel and tutti frutti, etc. Essence. Essence are used in the preparation of cakes and pastries. It comes in a vast variety of flavors so as to impart specific flavors to the products. It is generally in liquid form and prepared synthetically. The names of various essences are vanilla, pineapple, orange, lemon, mango, fruit mix and strawberry. Spices. These are used to impart specific flavors and aromas to the bakery products. The most commonly used spices in baking are cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, cardamom, garlic, etc. So students, let us summarize what we have learned in this lecture. Milk and milk products are used in bakeries for various functions like softening the texture of cookies and biscuits, moistening the bread, and adding flavor and nutritive value to the product. Milk is classified into different categories based on its fat percentage: full fat or full cream milk, skimmed milk, condensed milk, milk powder. Egg white works as a leavening agent and makes cakes and pudding lighter and fluffier. On the other hand, egg yolks emulsify well, providing richness and moisture to the baked goods. Dried fruits and nuts are of great importance in cakes, pastries, and puddings in terms of adding aesthetic as well as nutritive value and specific flavor. Spices are used to impart specific flavors and aromas to bakery products. So students, that's all from this session. See you in the next video. Thank you.